Resort living at its best right here in Virginia Beach. The neighborhood has a community center, workout room, dog park, fishing ponds, trails, playgrounds, basketball court, Olympic pool, and just a few short miles to Sandbridge Beach and more. Beautiful floor plan for entertaining. Brazilian cherry floors, architectural trim in every room, coffered ceiling, screened-in porch west/stone fireplace, front and rear patio, paved backyard patio, and upstairs media/game room, separate bedroom ensuite. Come make this home yours today.